Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a special rule charge plus damage in Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. So first you will need to find the weapon on the war scroll that has the charge plus damage. Then check the number of damage that is added to that attack. And when you charge with the unit that has this ability on the weapon and you attack with that weapon, then you'll be able to make that count. So it adds a specific number of damage next to that rule to the attack that you're making. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.